What's up, guys? It's your boy David here, and today we're going to be teaching you basic first aid like an adult. All right? We're going to teach you how to cure bruises, sprains, strains, and nosebleeds with a special guest. Bring him out. Little Joshua here will be helping us today. Two things we need to know before doing this video is that we will not be using a first aid kit, and before you apply an ice pack, please cover it in either a towel or a rag to prevent damage to your skin. Bruises are painful and uncomfortable. But wait, what is a bruise? A bruise is when a blunt force breaks the small vesicles in the skin, causing their walls to break. Once their walls break, blood will then seep and leak out underneath the skin, causing blood to build up. This is what causes a bruise. And when dealing with a bruise, please make sure to have an ice pack and a heating pad. Little Joshua here has a bruise. And when you have a bruise, do not panic. And number one, immediately apply an ice pack to the bruise. This will prevent swelling and decrease the rate of blood flow to the bruise. Number two, make sure the ice pack is left for no longer than 15 to 20 minutes for the first 24 to 48 hours. And after that time is over, make sure the wound has a 30 to 40 minute break without the ice pack. Step number three, after 2 days have passed, make sure to apply a heating pad to the wound several times a day. It can either be a heating pad or a warm compress, so make sure to do this several times a day. And if the bruise hasn't healed within 2 weeks, please consult a doctor or medical professional. Sprains and strains. Sprains and strains are both two different injuries, but can be healed in the same way. Sprains happen when a ligament, which is the tissue holding your joints together, tears, causing pain when moving your joints. While strains are tears in the tendons or muscles. Tendons are the tissues connecting your muscles to your bones. To treat a strain or sprain, you will need an ice pack, bandage, and something to tell the time. When faced with a sprain or strain, stay calm and provide rest to that sprain or strain, and apply an ice pack to that sprain or strain, and make sure to apply it for 20 minutes for every 2 waking hours. That's where you need the timer. And also, you should make sure that the sprain or strain is above blood level. Make sure you do that to minimize swelling. And if the sprain or strain continues, please contact a doctor. Nosebleeds are caused when blood vessels in your nose break, causing blood to leak through your nose. To treat a nosebleed, you will need some tissues and a way to tell the time. When you're experiencing a nosebleed, stay calm. And first, stand up with your head up. Then, lean your head forward. This will help prevent blood from seeping into your throat. And after that, grab a tissue and gently blow your nose. This will help prevent blood clots from forming within your nose. And after that, take one of your hands and pinch your nose, your thumb and finger pinching the nose. And pinch your nose for about 10 to 15 minutes, breathing through your mouth the entire time. After the time is up, check to see if your nose is still bleeding. And if you do unpinch your nose before the 10 or 15 minute marker, you'll have to start again, even if you want to check if your nose is still bleeding. But after the first try, and if your nose is still bleeding, do it again. But if your nose is still bleeding even after the second time, seek medical advice.